I love it.
B roll. Bonjour. Welcome back to India to France. Today we have career fair in our school, so I'm gonna take you through how that goes. Hey guys, it's been a while. I know, I kind of disappeared for a bit. I wasn't well, then took some time to recover, and honestly, getting back to normal life took longer than I expected. But here I am, finally picking up the camera again. And you know what? Through it all, Rahul has been my rock. He made sure I ate, rested, and didn't stress about anything. So before we do anything else, let's take a moment to appreciate this man. Because without him, I don't know how I would have managed these past few weeks. ರಾಹುಲ್ ಏನ ನೇಹ ಏನಂತಿದ್ಲ ನೇಹ ನಿಂಗ್ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕತ್ತಾನ ನೋಡ ರಾಹುಲ್ ನಿನ್ಗ ಸಾಯಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಯಾರು
Sai sai hắt da Neha nö saya nö
Today we have career fair in our school, so I'm gonna take you through how that goes. I have not applied actually. Like I said, I have some good news to share few weeks ago, so I'm gonna share what it was. That's one. And secondly, yes, I said that I will be regular every week to upload one video updating about life, but I was sick for last 3 days, so I had to skip it. Well, I'm better now, so I will try to be regular. Stay tuned. After a long time, we have class in Bosco building, which we hate. Okay, stepping out after days of being at home feels weird, right? It's like you forgot how the world moves and when you're stuck in one place for too long. But here I am, back at school, and surprise, I'm the first one in the class. And guess what? The chairs are all over the place. So before anything else, I spent nearly 4 minutes arranging them. Maybe this is the universe way of telling me, get your life together, Ramya. And then One by one, my friends walk in. It's a small thing, but seeing them, hearing their, hey, where were you? Makes me feel like I belong again. When you're sick, everything feels distant. But moments like these remind me I was missed. Oh, definitely I was. Now, let's talk about the career fair. Our school sent us multiple emails saying that we had to register, submit our resume, and if shortlisted, we would get an interview slot on the fair day. But for those who didn't register, like me, we could still go and hand out our CVs directly to the recruiters. Sounds simple, right? It wasn't really that simple. Because here's the thing, many recruiters weren't really interested in talking to students who weren't fluent in French. Even when we said we could manage at a basic level like A2, they weren't very encouraging. Some just took our resumes without even asking questions, others barely acknowledged us. And honestly, that stung a little bit. After that slightly underwhelming fare, it's back to class. We had a short lunch break, and our professor was kind enough to give us extra 15 minutes. Little things like these make a huge difference. Because trust me, trying to focus on a lecture while hungry, not fun.
Canon is doing right now with the yoga against obesity and promoting health, supporting communities, and also labeling. The most famous and the most having difficult one can be the EcoCell label. So we are trying to know more about and how can we have this label to.
And I think yeah, wait, let me check. I will just have the video here. I'll not have you in the video, don't worry.
I know why you're doing it.
Yeah.
It's still record?
Yeah.
She, Jan Bramia.
The voice.
Yeah, but
What
it's
is
not.
it?
She's gonna play music and everything, so it's okay. It's just B roll.
B-roll.
B rolls.
Be real. Oh, they be real.
B-roll.
B rolls. B rolls are where
Because you don't
some
be real.
Be real. Yes, no, but
You
it's
don't
the.
have-
No, I don't. I'm just have TikTok, but
You have to.
YouTube.
so she's a full-time YouTuber, and she gets business even, like people, she has been documenting her journey from India to France, and now that people want to come to France, the idea that you gave me, people want to come to France, they ask her.
By legend.
Yeah, she is actually like a freelancer agent where people text her, email her, and is reaching out to her, commenting like, oh, what should we do? And now she's doing it, and she has these offers. That's
You know,
so crazy.
In Malaysia, visa agents, they make
So much
Crazy.
money.
I know. Even here, you know what? When we were coming here,
If you have any questions in studying in France, you can book a call with me. So, how do you find the link? Well, go to my YouTube page. In the About section, you'll find this link. Copy that and paste it in your browser. You will land on this website where all the details are mentioned about us and all the services that we offer. One is 30 minutes call where we discuss one or two topics where you have questions about under 30 minutes and it costs you 13.99. Now, if you have many questions or want to discuss many topics, I suggest you book 1 hour strategy call where we address all those and make the transition easy for you, which costs you 14.99. And we have 10 minutes call. Suppose if you have one question, we can discuss that under 10 minutes, which is at 999. And lastly, priority DM where you send us a message and I'll try my best to reply you within 2 days. Finally, I have one digital product that is study abroad itinerary list. So suppose if you're shifting to France and if you're looking to what to pack, well, this digital product is the right one for you. So you can buy it. Let me show you an example to book a call. Suppose you are planning and you are clueless, or you are someone who has a lot of questions. So you select 1 hour strategy call where all the details can be discussed. So you book your call as per your availability and the dates and time mentioned here. Select your time zones from where you're booking this call. For example, this is what I have chosen and this is the final checkout page. So check your all the details here. Give your details such as name, email ID, and a working phone number. And I have asked certain questions so that I can come prepared for this call and give you the best possible answers to help you. Such as briefly describe your situation. Are you a professional or a student? What is the biggest challenge or the steps you are, maybe language barrier, or you have question about the work permit, or which field you are interested in. Maybe it is finance, marketing, or supply chain, or any other. Now make sure you give a working phone number which is also has WhatsApp enabled so that I can send out any communication to you, and you can choose to pay me any of these amount if you wish to. And then once you select that, click on confirm and pay. Now you have booked yourself a call with me. Let's make this dream of studying in France a reality. See you soon. Instead of heading straight home, I decided to do something different. I went to a cafe with a friend who honestly is like my personal cheerleader. We all need that one person who hypes us up, reminds us that we are doing okay, and just listens. And today, I needed that energy. We sat there from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m., just talking, laughing, and barely existing. And you know what? It really, really feels good. Oh, before I go, look at this. We hit 900 subscribers, you guys. I don't even know what to say. Every single one of you who watches, comments, supports, thank you from the bottom of my heart. We are so close to 1000, and I know we are going to get there together. So if you're watching this and haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Let's keep growing this little family.
See, 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 it's Rocco. Hello, please come here.
Today was a mix of everything: getting back on track, dealing with setbacks, finding comfort in friends, and ending the day with warmth. If there is one thing that I want you to take away from this vlog, it's this: life isn't always a good plan. But as long as you keep moving forward, even if it is slow, you're doing just fine. And if you ever feel stuck, just remember, you're not alone. We are all figuring it out together.